you have for us there?
So the copy paste feature is something that, again, a lot of our clients have been looking for. To be able to move entire lines and entire rows of items and then repaste them immediately is something that everybody, I think, can agree on that will definitely help save time. So if we take a look at it, we'll pull up an invoice, and we'll just add some information here real quick, and we'll say we've got 25 of them, and we'll say that we're getting them out of our warehouse 1. So we can see that we have this line. So if we hit Control-Alt-Y, it'll copy the line, and then if we hit Control-Alt-V, it will paste that line, allowing us not to have to enter all of that information over and over again. Just a new feature that allows QuickBooks to help us save more time.
Well, it's nice that that quick copy and paste line item works. Okay, great. So, well, we have one past due stamp.